Step 1. Inspect both tracks to ensure they are firmly in place, aligned correctly, and clear of any dirt or obstructions for safe operation. Step 2. Verify windows are clean, mirrors are adjusted, and there are no structural damages to the cabin for optimal visibility and safety. Step 3. Inspect the arm for any visible damage, check all joints for looseness, and ensure hydraulic lines are intact to prevent operational failures. Step 4. Confirm the bucket is tightly attached and examine for wear or damage to avoid functional issues during excavation tasks. Step 5. Test the arm and bucket by moving them through their full range of motion to ensure there are no blockages or resistance affecting performance. Step 6. Verify the work area is free of obstacles or personnel, then proceed to operate the excavator steadily to maintain safety. That was the final step.